emails. Okay, so sir, you have to, okay. So I'll be sharing my screen. You just let me know if you all are able to see the screen that I'm sharing. Is my screen visible?
Uh, it's coming.
Yes,
Yeah.
visible.
It's visible. Okay. So you can see here, I'll just put login to explore slash ask. Okay, just put this. Remember the site, bookmark it. So this is our community where we will be asking the questions until we get the access to all other portals. But this is will be the prime mode of communication for us as of now. Now this page which you can see here is basically all the questions that have been asked before. You can search through the questions if you find you can search through here also, or you can see all the questions which have been asked or answered. The main important thing again is if for asking a question, mandatorily you have to create an account. So when you click here on ask and question, these are all the logs. Okay, you'll be getting all who all are the users who all have been asking the maximum number of questions. So this page you can explore. Okay, what all categories we have been asking questions on, the tags that we have used, those things you can explore. Coming to ask a question, when we click on ask a question, you will be asked to log in or register. Once creating the account, first you have to register. It's a very basic form of registering. I prefer you use your personal email ID again, so that later on whenever you have any questions, so you can use that same ID, the email address. Put a username, put a password, and put the email according to that username. Okay, so whatever email you put here, click this and register. As soon as you register, you will be shared a mail. So let's suppose, I think this will be pretty easy. So let's suppose I have this. uh, I put here, this is a password. I put some other email address, suppose here. When I click on register, there will be an email shared to my email address for confirmation. There will be a link. You just click on that link and you will be open to ask the question. I think this much is very easy for you all. So I'm coming to back to my own account. I'll just log out from this one because I have not verified it. I have another account. Once you save it, you will be getting something like this. Log into this.
Uh, I suppose you have to mention email address.
Email address, yes. This is the same page again. Here, ask the question will work. Very similar to the Stack Overflow portal that you have seen, which we mentioned before. Uh, Again, take an example. What suppose we are talking about JSON Power DB, you can select the category for from here. You are actually working on JPDB, or I think Umang or someone is working on JPDB dashboard also. Based on that, you can select on which category you are asking the question. Suppose here, if I simply ask one question, how to send email from uh, for, let's say, forgot password, that you will be using it. Okay. Put the description here again. The difference is we don't have anything specifically to formatting or highlighting the code. So you will be putting the code in a sort of either you can bold it or you can put it somewhere like um, just to put a focus on, and formatted text you can put it on. So here you can put like how do I uh, send an auto mail to some user when he clicks on forgot password, okay, while logging in or something. Now I can say that I have used this command, this syntax, which is actually the email syntax, which you will find it in the help. This syntax, obviously when you use it, you will bold it. Okay, so there is, let's say, some connection
So,
to
Pallavi, like there are like, because this is a editor, So it allows few editings. So we can insert image, we can insert table. So
Yeah,
maybe like we can change the font also. So if we select mono space font, na, it will look like code.
yeah, that's what I'm about to say, that you
Mhm.
have to highlight the code which we are putting. Now, there is one option which I have seen here. Suppose I'll go to this login to explore help page. When I copy the complete syntax, there is some auto format which comes. So let's suppose I'm talking about email, this is send email. Okay. So when I put this complete request, I'll copy and I'll paste it here. Okay, so you can see this copies it the complete formats and everything. Okay,
Right.
you can use that, you can edit in that, so that becomes like highlighted part, no? So you have the syntax, everyone everywhere you will be using some syntax, you highlight that, so that it becomes very much clear like what exactly you're trying to say. And obviously then you can whatever the details you want to put it in that, which tags you want to use. So obviously we'll be using the database, we'll be using the email tag. We can use, for example, the
JSON Power DB.
this in Power
JSON
DB.
Power
Yeah.
DB.
Okay, I clicked enter, so it just took the answer. Sorry.
Mhm.
Uh,
Database is too general, actually. This
yeah,
sending email is part of JSON Power DB. Other database do not allow you to send email through their servers.
I'll just edit my email and JSON Power DB and something related, whatever you feel like, the queries you have, and save changes. Now here, if you can see, there is a checkbox. So email me to this ID through which I have logged in if my question is answered or commented upon. For your notifications, you need to put a check. By default, it is checked only, but for your notifications, you need to put a check on this and simply save changes. So next time, if anyone answers your question, you'll get an email notification of, your answer question has been answered, and you can directly you will get a link in your email. For answers, obviously, you can. It will be a simple click, same way.
Like, I think you should answer with a different email ID.
Yeah, I will do that. So
Mhm.
I was just telling that for answers, you'll click here and you'll put an answer, the description. Here again, there will be a checkbox when you answer through whichever email ID that you have, so that when your answer is selected or upvoted or liked, or if someone else comments further on your answers, you'll get email notification for that as well. So now here again, coming to another email ID. I think one of you can create the email ID and try to answer my question. Can you do that, Jayant or Umang? Can you create the IDs register at least first?
Yeah, both of you can register, like,
Sure.
and
Yeah.
even both of you can answer also
Just go
on
on
this
this
question.
login to explore.com/ask and register. Uh, if you have any doubt, you can ask me or you can share your screen. Jayant or Umang, any one of you can share the screen.
1 minute, like just a second.
I'll
Okay.
stop sharing. Who is sharing? Umang is sharing or Jayant is sharing?
Okay, I'll share. Just give me a moment.
Okay.
I have to join to my laptop then.
Okay, not an issue.
Oh, okay. So, Umang, are you like joined with the laptop?
No, sir,
Uh,
I've joined through my mobile.
okay.
No, that's
And
all.
Jayant?
Sir, I've joined through my laptop.
Jayant, you can share. Umang
Okay,
will ask use you for asking a question again. Jayant, you can share your screen.
sure.
Umang, by the time you create the ID and be ready with the questions, you can ask some question or something.
Sure.
So by default, it will like log you in, but to like work upon, I think you need to confirm.
You need to verify that.
So you can verify it from your like
You will not
email
be able
address.
to ask a question until you verify it through your email address. You'll not be able to ask the question.
Okay.
But
So I should answer this question?
yeah, if you know the answer, definitely you should. And I think you know.
Oh, please confirm.
Okay, even to answer, you need to confirm your email address. So refresh the page.
Have
I
you
think
confirmed
if you
have you clicked on the link, Jayant, in your
Yeah,
email?
I've clicked.
Just refresh the page then.
so like
Now you can
yeah.
answer.
Yeah, Jant, you are registered with Login to Explore ID, so that is good. But also, like, we'll suggest to register with your like
Personal
personal
ID.
email, personal
Okay, sir.
IDs, because in that case it will be long term.
Okay, sir.
You can create one more account with your personal ID. That is not an issue. And start using your personal ID. So later, at any point of time, no, if you want to take reference, you can at least be able to log in and use it.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay. So my question has been answered, and I have got an email notification for that my question is answered. Uh, I would ask now, Umang. You have you logged in?
Yeah, I have logged in.
Are you from laptop? Can you share now?
Okay, just a second. Give me a minute.
Mm, have you shared your screen?
No, sir. I'm just joining the meet from my laptop.
Okay. Mhm.
I think we would have. Okay, yeah.
Umang, if you have any query, any question in your mind or which you have asked from sir before, can you try adding that question so we can answer so that you get the notification? I just want to see how you get the notification. So either you
Okay.
answer on Jayant, so Jayant will not get Jayant will get a notification. And
Yeah.
if you have any query, you can put the query.
I would say here like just an addition, like to create a demo account for an email. We have to create a demo account here and set it.
You can add to that also. You
Okay,
can
like I have to comment here, na?
comment on that, yes.
It is not necessary to comment. Even you can go to question and then there is a answer button. You can answer also. Like multiple answers are allowed.
Okay, sir, but it's just an addition to an existing like answer.
Okay, okay.
So
It is better to comment than if you have anything related to the previous answer which I answered, or if you have a separate different type of answer. Let's suppose you want to give me a syntax if I haven't mentioned, then you can give another answer also.
I think it's okay.
You can add comment. Jayant, you can check. You might have got a notification.
Yeah, I got a notification email.
Okay.
Okay, that's
Now
great.
I will just add and comment one more comment after this, so that Umang, I just want to, wanted
Yeah.
to check whether you get the notification or not. Just a second. So I have added my comment. I think Umang and Jayant, both of you must have got a notification there.
Yep, I got it on the
Yeah.
Yeah. So now see, in your email there will be a link. You can say directly click on that link also to go to obviously the directly to the answer or a question to that. Okay.
I think I have not received.
You might get it.
Okay.
It doesn't take this much time. Just refresh your page. It's loading. No, it's your emails are still loading.
I'll just check through mobile.
Yeah, not an issue. Just let me know if you have got the notification. You get it within less than.
Yeah, have received a notification.
Yeah. So this is the thing. Secondly, when you use the ask site, I would ask you all to use it in proper format. So basically, whenever you're writing something, you want to highlight something, it is pretty easy to use if you can see. I think you don't have any issue with that. You have a pretty clear idea of how to use it. Both of you, Jayant, Umang, both of you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, clear to so it's pretty easy, nothing very much just a rule of thumb what you have to do, what you have not to do, but just I was telling you to use it in a proper syntax form, proper formatted form. You can use the change the font style, so you can see it is a very simple text box, so you can do all the editings and everything which are required in that. Once the highlights are there, because see the answer, if it is simple paragraph as this Giant has answered or you have answered, it's easy to read. But suppose if I put the same syntax in the paragraph form, it is not highlighted, my focus will not go to that point. Okay, so I want to highlight it. So you can when you add an answer, you can simply keep on doing a proper formats and editings accordingly. That is one thing.
Okay.
Secondly, there are obviously the votes which you can see if you find the answer to worth of your usage. You can put an upvote. You can add to the comments. So those things are there. I think you will get all the related questions which were asked before. These were all sample questions. I don't think much of the usage was there before you. So again, the same thing we are going to, I'll repeat again. We are trying to build a complete community, not only for you two guys, but we are trying to get it for all the upcoming interns. Okay, sir, you can stop recording. Sir, Booker sir.
Just a minute.